Bright Tuty. Every student matters.
Now, let's take up some important questions from this section. Next question, discuss various methods of weed control. So, what are weeds? I hope you remember the unwanted plants which grow in the field along with the crops are called weeds. So, first is mechanical methods. Mechanical method means uprooting the weeds either by hand or by using a plow. Second is preventive methods. Preventive methods include proper plowing of the field, summer plowing, or proper preparation of the seedbed. Proper preparation of the seedbed before we sow the seeds, so that all the weeds they are uprooted. And thirdly is the chemical methods. Chemical methods include spraying of weedicides, on the weeds so that they are destroyed. And fourth one is biological methods. Biological method means using such variety of seeds which actually prevent the growth of weeds. So, these are various methods to control the weed growth in the field. Next question, why pesticides should be used in very accurate concentration and in very appropriate manner. Alright, why pesticides should be used? Because pesticides, what are these? These are chemical compounds which are used to kill the insects or pests. Alright, they should be used in very accurate concentration in very appropriate manner. First, why? Firstly, they are very poisonous substances. Alright, so if excess is used, they can harm the crops or even the human beings who are using it. Second is they cause pollution of the soil, as well as if they get washed into the water, they also cause water pollution. Alright, and thirdly, sometimes they enter the plants, enter the crops, so they will enter the food chain. If they are absorbed by the plants, so then the human beings, or it is consumed by other animals, then it enters the food chain and it remains in the food chain and causes harmful effects. So, that is why pesticide should be used in very minimal quantity required. Next question, why using pesticides is not considered a good practice? So, it is a similar question, you have to describe all the three reasons. Next question, which of the following conditions will give the most benefits and why? Option 1, farmers use high quality seeds but do not adopt irrigation or fertilizers. Secondly, farmers use ordinary seeds but adopt irrigation and fertilizers. Third, they use good quality seeds, adopt irrigation, use fertilizers and use crop protection method. So, option C is the correct option in which will give the most benefits, because using good quality seeds but not adopting irrigation will not give you good result. On the other hand, using ordinary seeds will not give a good crop. In case C, there are all the benefits. Good quality seeds will increase the yield, irrigation will also ensure better growth of the crops, fertilizers will improve the soil fertility, and crop protection measures will also protect the crops from insects and diseases. So, in case C, we will get the most benefit. Next question, how do storage grain losses occur? Storage grain losses occur due to two factors, biotic and second one is abiotic factors. Okay. Biotic includes the microorganisms which cause diseases, okay. Then also insects, microorganisms, insects, these can microorganisms, insects, then rodents like rats or squirrels, they can actually during the storage they can destroy our grains. Abiotic factors means moisture content, inappropriate moisture content or inappropriate temperature can destroy the grains which are stored. So what factors may be responsible for losses of grains during storage? You have to explain these factors also for this question. Next question, why should preventive measures and biological control methods be preferred for protecting the crops? So it is very important to protect the crops from the harmful effects, but instead of using chemicals, we should prevent this kind of losses, and or we should use biological or natural processes, because the pesticides, the fungicides, all these are chemicals. So first of all, they can cause soil pollution. Then they can also cause water pollution if they enter the water bodies. Then if they are absorbed in large quantities by the plant, they enter the food chain, and indirectly they affect us also, because when we consume the food, these chemicals, they enter our body and have harmful effects. That is why their use should be minimized, and on the other hand, preventive and biological methods should be used. So that's all from this section of the chapter. Okay, I hope it's clear to you. Thank you.